Hey, I'm Ollie. I'm a jack of all trades and obtainium engineer, and I'm here at the Friars Forest Research and Development Workshop trying my hand at my first EV conversion. With the help of a bunch of amazing people, we're converting Celadari's 1968 Toyota Stout to electric. Our old 1968 Toyota Stout that goes out as a dairy truck every day and does the milking at Celadari. We've been thinking about electrifying this, convert it to electric. It only drives a little way out to the paddock. It already has a 48 volt DC power system that runs the vacuum pump. In the cabinet here, got a little Victron 3 kVA 48 volt inverter and charger. You can see there's a BYD 48 volt battery in there. With all that gear already there, now the clutch has failed, it's time to jump. See whether we can make it happen in under 2 weeks. We got the dairy truck on the back of the diner. Just quickly feeding out before we get out of the wet. Yeah, spring's coming up, but winter's not giving up yet. Hey, Joycey. Now we're back at the Friars Forest Research and Development Workshop. All that rain's gone away and we're just about to unload it. That wasn't at all dodgy. Sort of boxed myself a bit into a corner there because the tow ball was jammed into the ground. We've got the truck ready to go into the workshop now to start a bit of an experiment and research project. So this is our first little foray into EV conversions. I want to thank Guy Stewart, who's donated a really nice 48 volt DC 8 kilowatt continuous motor. Workshop's ready. We're about to back it in and start pulling out the internal combustion engine. This is my space for the conversion, the Friars Forest Research and Development Workshop. Metalworking space and a bit of woodworking space on the right. We'll back the vehicle in the middle and get started. Home sweet home, Bert. This is going to be your home for the next couple of weeks. Righto, where are we going to start?
There should be enough food here so that you don't have to stop before tomorrow night when I get home.
Now we're going to get in underneath and get the gearbox unbolted from the motor. There's the bolts on the back of the gearbox, so we're going to pull them off. Toyota did make a really good motor with the 5R. They just go and go and go. Feels a little sad pulling the motor out when the motor's not buggered. I guess I need to let go of the sadness of the old and bring this into the EV world. It's out now. It's actually a different spline than I thought, but that's all good. We'll probably butcher this dead clutch and grab the spline off that. And the gearbox, so I'm going to make an adapter to go on there, some sort of plate. Well, that was a good day's work. I think I'm going to jump into getting the gearbox out now. Righto, so this is the clutch plate and we're going to use the spline out of the centre of that, and I think we're going to grind off these pins here and pull out the spline and the disc that's under this rubber mounting. Adrian's just turned up to give us a hand. We know each other through permaculture and through the local EV group, so...
Take the last minute on a nation side.
Righto, we're going to just test out this Mod Energy ME1004 motor that we've been given by Guy. We've got him. Yep.
That's pretty good.
Does work. Ah, that is so much better than it was before. Cool, let's make an adapter plate. We've got to cut the bits of angle for the adapter plate, and I haven't used this in a while, so should give it a bit of a run. It's the hacksaw. Let us know if you do know what year, what sort of machine this is. We're good to go. It's been a while since we've used this, but here we go. Look at that. Bit of a different age, this thing. It only took half an hour to set the cut up. Really pleased with that. Slight bit of play that direction, but pretty damn good.
It's gonna be raining outdoors. Yes, it's gonna be